Hi and welcome back to this channel. If you are looking for easy and proven ways to make money online in 2025, then this video is definitely for you. Today I'm sharing 7 proven ways that you can start with little to no investment, from starting your YouTube channel to freelancing and even selling digital products. There is something for everyone. Stay tuned till the end of this video and don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. So without further ado, let's dive in. One of the easiest ways to make money online is by starting a YouTube channel. Here is how you can do it. Step 1, choose a niche. And this is very crucial. Pick a topic that you are passionate about, whether it's tech review, lifestyles or tutorials. Now step 2, you need to write a script. Use tools like ChatGPT to create engaging scripts. It saves time and it ensures that your content is well structured. Step 3 is you need to edit and upload. Add video clips and photos. Then edit your narration to create engaging videos. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize with ads. Brand partnership is another great income source, especially as your channel grows. Upload regularly to keep your audience engaged and boost your chances of success. Now the next way in which you can make money online in 2025 is to become a freelancer. Freelancing offers endless opportunities to earn money online. Websites like freelancer.com, Upwork connects you with clients looking for various services. Popular freelancing gigs will have content writing, article writing, and blog posts. Social media management helps business to manage their social media accounts like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. You can also become a graphic designer, create logos, banners, and other visual content. Now the tip here is that you need to build a strong portfolio and offer competitive prices to attract initial customers. And also you can increase your rates as you gain experience. Now the third way in which you can make money online in 2025 is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn passive income, and here is how it works. Step 1 is that you need to choose a product or services. You can join affiliate programs like ClickBank, Share a Sale or Amazon Associate. Secondly, you need to promote your link. Create content around your product, reviews, tutorials or even social media posts, and include your affiliate links. Step 3 is that you need to earn commission. So every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. To succeed, focus on products related to your niche to attract a targeted audience. The fourth way to make money online in 2025 is through becoming a copywriter. Copywriting is a highly profitable skill in the digital marketing world. So Mose, what is copywriting? A copywriter creates persuasive content for email campaigns, websites, and promotional materials. Now the skills that are needed here is that you need to have strong writing skills, creativity, and the ability to understand the brand's voice. Where do we find this copywriting works? Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to start. You can reach to business out directly. Now the tip here is that you need to build a portfolio with sample copies to showcase your skills to potential clients. Now the fifth way to make money online in 2025 is that you can become a social media manager. Businesses are looking for skilled social media managers to handle their accounts. So what you will do as a social media manager, the first one is that you will be creating and scheduling posts. You will be engaging with followers and analyze performance metrics. Platforms to manage. Focus on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Now finding clients, you can start on freelancing platforms. Then pitch your services to local businesses. Stay updated with the trends and use social media tools like Hootsuite or Buffer for efficiency management. Now the sixth method in which you can make money online in 2025 is that you can offer translation services. If you are bilingual or fluent in languages like Spanish and German, translation service can be a great income stream. Where to offer gigs. Fiverr is a top platform for translators. You can create gigs offering translation services for documents, websites, or videos. Now here is a tip. Specialize in a specific type of translation, e.g. legal, medical, or technical, to stand out and charge higher rates. Now our seventh way of making money online in 2025 is through creating and selling digital printables. Selling digital products like printables, wall arts is a trending and profitable venture. Platforms to sell. Etsy is the most popular platform for selling digital downloads. Now what you can create: wall arts, planners, calendars, or even educational resources. You can use free tools like Canva to design your printables. Focus on creating high-quality niche-specific designs. Keywords and SEO to Etsy will help you attract more buyers. Now, another way that you can make money online in 2025 is that you can become a website tester. With the rise of online businesses, companies need people to test their websites. Platforms like Userlytics and user testing pays you to test their websites and provide feedbacks. Navigate the websites, complete tasks, and give opinion on user experience. Pay attention to details and provide constructive to get repeat testing opportunities. There you have it, easy and proven ways to make money online in 2025. Whether you are creating content, freelancing, or even selling digital products, there's a method here for everyone. The key here is to start small, stay consistent, and keep improving your skills. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Share your favorite methods in the comment below. God bless you. Until the next time, bye.